Hi, I'm a professional Forex trader. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my best Forex strategies that always work. Stay tuned. The power of pin bars. One of my favorite Forex strategies is trading pin bars. Pin bars are reversal candlestick patterns that provide a high probability signal that the market is going to reverse. Trading pin bars with confirmation. To increase the chances of success, it's important to confirm the pin bar signal with other technical indicators. I typically use the Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator to do that. How to trade pin bars. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to trade pin bars. 1. Look for a pin bar formation on the chart. 2. Make sure that the pin bar has a clear bullish or bearish bias. 3. Confirm the signal with the MACD indicator. 4. Enter a buy or sell order accordingly. 5. Place a stop-loss order just below or above the tail of the pin bar. 6. Target the previous swing high or low for your take-profit target. The importance of risk management. Before we move on to the next Forex strategy, I want to emphasize the importance of risk management. When you're trading Forex, you're essentially gambling with your hard-earned money. That's why it's important to only risk a small percentage of your account on each trade. I typically risk 1% or less of my account per trade. The parabolic SAR indicator. The next Forex strategy that I want to share with you is trading with the parabolic SAR indicator. The parabolic SAR is a momentum indicator that is used to identify potential reversals in the market. How to trade with the parabolic SAR indicator. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to trade with the parabolic SAR indicator. 1. Look for a bullish or bearish reversal candlestick pattern on the chart. 2. Identify the parabolic SAR dots below or above the candlestick bars. 3. Enter a buy or sell order when the candlestick closes above or below the parabolic SAR dots. 4. Place a stop-loss order just below or above the tail of the candlestick. 5. Target the previous swing high or low for your take-profit target. The alligator indicator. The alligator indicator is a trend-following indicator that is used to identify market trends. The alligator indicator consists of 3 moving averages that are lagging indicators. How to trade with the alligator indicator. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to trade with the alligator indicator. 1. Look for periods of market consolidation on the chart. This is when the alligator's mouth is closed. 2. Once you see a breakout from consolidation, that's when you want to enter a trade in the direction of the breakout. 3. Place a stop-loss order just below or above the fractal level of support or resistance. 4. Target the previous swing high or low for your take-profit target. If you like the video and wish to receive more content, please don't forget to subscribe.